Hey yo guys, so today we are back in Build a Boat. As you can see, I am now a mega member. I don't know, maybe I don't know how I got it. I guess I just play and stuff. And yeah, we also get 300% more health. And that is amazing. But that's not the reason why we're here today. We're here to play Build a Boat. So, I actually got some portals already. Ugh. Why lag? Okay. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay. It's loaded. These are all of my star items. The portal must be in here. Yep. Now all we need to do to connect that. Ah, 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 ah. Alright, so I actually got these from two redeem codes. If you want them, you basically just go here until the bottom, and then yeah, you do it there. There's basically some redeem codes to do it, and you should actually watch it. So we are gonna be loading in this. We have done this, okay. Alright. Now I shall I need this up here for a sec. Alright. Hey, I don't want to teleport. That, bop, bop, bop. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we should be able to go up here. It's gonna be quite hard. Okay, there. So basically, wait, no. I don't want wooden blocks. Alright, we can use these. Wait, we need the table. Just like that. Just wait, I'm gonna save it here. Ah, it doesn't stay in there. But we can teleport there, that's one thing. Alright. Alright. So, basically gonna try to find a way to let my portal stay. And finally face it all. I feel this. We have to put our portal back right up here. Right. We have to build our boat, basically. So, I have to build my boat right over here. And now this is where the part starts. Now I show, where is my, there, my most blocks. Bro, just disappear. Yes, there. What we're actually gonna do, we need a hinge. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking the time on my ride. Needs to be quite large if we're gonna make the portal fit here. So let's try putting it in here. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Alright. Now we need to build mostly everything now. 1, 2, 7, 3. Mechma does not love me. Here. No. Alright. We got some basic stuff going on right now. Okay. Cool. I think we need to move it a little bit more to this side because we're gonna add. Oh boy. This is gonna be full of ice. I know how to make the mech glitch, but I don't want to do it because I have reasons. Alright, we are... What? Alright. So now we are gonna be placing our portal right there. We're gonna be needing to save this. Alright, so now we have to be protecting it, I guess. If that's the best way you can call it. Oh. Boom. I told you. I told you. I told you. No. This would fall off, so we need more ice on this side. I don't know what happened there, but okay. Great. Awesome boat you have there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So there's gonna be one glitch chair there. Yeah, basically we're gonna put some hinges in there or something. Then obviously we need other chairs, you know. Some people won't participate, you know. Maybe some people wanna, yeah. Alright. So now, basically, gonna do the other parts. Ugh. I wish I had the scaling tool. Is this a scaling tool or this one? Yeah, this one. That is so expensive. Why did they have to add? Load in, bish. Load in. Right now, or I shall kill you. Why did they make a jet turbine more faster than the one that was original? I don't get it. I'd rather not do Roblox stuff. You should do this the original way. Oh my gosh. That's just an extra part. Alright, let's continue building as I said. Yep. Hiya. Whatcha? I'm getting so bored. I don't care if it's uneven, at least it's a boat. So now we shall be adding. Oi. What the? Oh, there. may get to the bow and that stuff. I know. Alright. We are gonna build. Obviously. So when we come out of the boat, when we get to the just gonna add a butter block. Yeah, we need those things now. We won't fall off from the flipping thing. Oh, I need more. There. We can't even basically, yeah, thing anymore. Right, so that's there now. I don't know how to keep this thing. You gotta save this. No! Alright, I'm just gonna load in my boat. There you go. Happy? Right. We are gonna be needing a portal right on here. Okay, we're gonna save this. Get out of my sight. Alright. Alright, we need to add some balloons. No. Guess we're just gonna have to deal with this. Oh, it actually stays. the flip happened here? Did the owner come in or something? Now we are back at spawn. Gonna get back in this boat soon. Alright. Let's stop messing around now. Let's get into our boat. Let's see what happened to it. It's still here. It's quite lively. But okay. It works. Boat. That means I can still go back. I'm still here. I can't build anything. Oh wait, I can build on my boat. Oh, no. I can't build on my boat. So we can delete it. I would still die. Well, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you that I had the portal. Next video is about Animal Sim again.